Hello everyone, I, Dr. Ritumago, welcome you all in day 5 of Learning to Teach online course. Today we are going to learn some more features of OBS. I hope you might have gone through the previous videos of OBS which we discussed in day 4. After going through those videos, we will see some more features of OBS here. Let us understand about these two buttons first. You can see here one I button and this lock button here. This I button by default is the visibility button. Here you can see that display capture is visible right now. This window indicates the display capture, so you can record your screen here. Now, if I click on this I button again, the display capture will be invisible and now it cannot be used. So, you have two options now. Either you can delete a source by clicking on this minus button, or you can make it invisible if you want to reuse it again. Other one is the lock option. So you can see that by default this lock option is in unlock position. So you can move your window in any direction, or you can resize your window even. But if I click on this lock option, then you cannot move or resize your window here. And this option can be used to prevent the accidental resizing of this window or accidental movement of any window. So by default, it is unlocked. So it was all about these two buttons. I hope you remember these plus and minus buttons. To add a source, click on this plus button. To remove a source, click on this minus button. This is setting. You want to get the information about the setting or want to change the setting, you just click on this button. Here you can see the settings or can change any setting. Afterwards, click on this OK button. Now, these are the up and down arrow keys, and you can use these up and down arrow keys after adding more sources here and for moving from one source to another. So let's understand this audio mixer. So by default, you can find these two things here. One is the desktop audio and another one is the mic. You can control the audio as well as the mic volume from here. See. Now you can check what is the default desktop audio by clicking on this button here. Then click on properties. Now I'm just going to add one source, that is color source, by clicking on this plus button. Through color source, you can add any background color which by default is black. If you want to change this color, just click on this color source. Now, OK. Now select color from the palette. You can select any color of your choice. Click on OK. Then again click on OK. So default color is now this one, and you can resize it even. Now let us add one more source, that is browser. Click on plus, then click on browser, then OK. Now here you can put any website name. So let me add website of Dev Samaj and click on OK. You can put any website name here. You can resize it, or you can just place it anywhere. See, you can resize it. Now you can also change the order of these two sources. Just if you want to bring it up, bring this background color up. So just give a right click here, click on order, then move to top. You can see it has come to the top. Or if you just want to make it at the bottom, again give a right click, order, then move down. So here you can see this is now down to this website. All right, so we have seen the difference. Now we have discussed so many sources here. This game capture is not beneficial for accommodations, so I'm not going to explain this here. Now, this audio input capture and audio output capture. If you want to use some external mic to record the voice, then use this audio input capture. And if you want to use some external speaker, use this audio output capture. This browser is to place any web page on your screen. Color source is to change the background color. Display capture is to capture the activities on the screen. And image is to add any background image. Then image slideshow for presenting just like PowerPoint presentation, but you will have to convert your presentation into image before using it here. We can write the text here and scroll it in any direction. Now, video capture device. It works like webcam, which can be used as an input device. Now, you can explore this media source also. Just click on the media source, then click on OK. Browse the folder where your videos are there. So you can put any video file here and play it. I'm not going to add it here right now. If you want that, there should be some video on your screen, just like your browser window, that video can play here. So you can explore it by doing it in the same way. So there are sources. I guess most of the important sources we have covered here. Others can be skipped, like you don't need this, and these you can use it for your recording. So it was all about OBS. Thank you so much.